Imagine you're managing a large company with multiple business units, some making huge profits, others just surviving, and a few draining resources. How do you decide which ones to invest in, which to maintain, and which to let go?
That's exactly where the GE-McKinsey Matrix comes in, a powerful portfolio analysis tool that goes beyond the classic BCG matrix. Hi, I'm Yash from MBA Shastra, and today we'll break down the GE-McKinsey Matrix and how you can use it to make smarter strategic decisions. Developed in the 1970s by McKinsey & Company for General Electric, this matrix helps multi-business corporations decide where to invest, divest, and focus resources. Unlike BCG's simple approach, this uses industry attractiveness, measuring market size, growth rate, profitability, and competitive intensity, and business strength, evaluating your market share, brand reputation, product quality, and competitive advantages. This creates a 9-cell matrix where each business unit can be plotted based on these 2 dimensions. Each zone suggests a different strategy: grow for high-potential units, hold for stable ones, and harvest or divest for underperformers. Think Apple's iPhone in the smartphone market: high attractiveness, high strength, clear growth strategy. The key is scoring multiple factors for each axis, not just single metrics like the BCG matrix uses. To use it, identify your business units, define evaluation factors, score and weight them, plot on the matrix, then decide your strategy. The GE-McKinsey Matrix gives you a more nuanced view than BCG, helping you make smarter portfolio decisions with multiple factors, not just simple metrics. If you found this useful, hit that like button, subscribe to MBA Shastra, and let me know in the comments which business framework you'd like me to explain next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.